Here are some questions from Chapter 6, Lesson 4. This is 8 through 10 to begin with. All right, so we have this drawing, Pencil. It tells us that PE is parallel to CI, and it tells us that this angle at E equals this angle at I. Number 8 asks, why is this angle 1 equal to this angle 3? Well, because we have these parallel lines, and the top of the water actually is our transversal, 1 and 3 are corresponding angles. So, parallel lines form equal corresponding angles. And then number 8 says, why is PEN equal to angle 1 plus angle 2? So why is this whole angle equal to that angle plus that angle? That's betweenness of rays is number 9. Betweenness of rays says a whole angle is made up of the sum of its individual angles. All right, so notice number 9 says angle PEN equals angle 1 plus angle 2. And it says angle CIL is equal to the sum of 3 plus angle 4. Look what we have here, PEN. So number 10 for PEN substitutes 1 and 2. Says angle 1 plus angle 2 equals, and for up here, this given part, it substitutes what CIL is equal to. Angle 3 plus angle 4. So 10 is substitution. 11 says, why does angle 2 equal angle 4? Why does angle 2 equal angle 4? Well, look what it said in number 8. Number 8 said that this angle, angle 1, equals this angle, angle 3. What have we done to get to here? We've subtracted the same measurement since they're equal. So to get here on number 11, it is subtraction. Number 12 says, then why is EN parallel to IL? And that would be because when corresponding angles are equal, the lines are parallel. All right, look at number 15. It asks us to solve for these angles, given these parallel lines. All right, so when I have these parallel lines, let's look at this as the transversal. These are interior, same side of the transversal, so they are supplementary. So angle 1 has to be equal to 70, so that 70 plus 100 equals 180. Same thing on the right-hand side. They're interior, same side of the transversal, so they must be supplementary. So this one has to be 55, so that 55 and 125 equals 180. All right, and here, this is number 16, Chapter 6, Lesson 4. We have 2 sets of parallel lines. All right, so just looking at these parallel lines and this being a transversal, these two would be interior, same side of the transversal, so they'd have to be supplementary. So that would be 110 degrees. All right, look at these top 2. Now we want to see this line here, and this line here is being parallel, and this being the transversal. When this is the transversal, 70 degrees and 3 must be supplementary. So 3 is also 110 degrees. And now looking at the bases, this top line and this bottom line as being your parallel lines, and this the transversal, angle 3 and 2 are supplementary. So this must be 70 degrees. All right, now look at 45. 45 through 47. 45 says, write an equation relating these two angles. Given that A is parallel to be. All right, so what would x equal? X would equal this angle because they're corresponding. All right, so this is also really x. How are these two related? They're supplementary. So for 45, the equation I could write is x plus 2x minus 30 equals 180. Add my 30 on both sides. This is algebra. Add my like variables. That's 3x equals 210. And we're going to head and we're going to solve for x. So divide it by 3. Divided by 3, x equals 70. All right? X equals 70. Now it says in 45, find the measure of the acute angle. Well, the acute angle is x. It is 70 degrees. That's number 46. Number 47 says find the measure of the obtuse angle. So we plug in 70 for x. 2 times 70 minus 30. That's 140 minus 30. The obtuse angle is 110 degrees.